I did. That's using the star cutter. This is using the petal one. And these are the styrofoam balls that I had already pretty good. Isn't that a pretty color? Looks like a candied apple, but it's not. So let's see about this one. Okay. Okay. That's how it's looking. So we'll see. My stomach is just like upset today. So these ones now, I'm just pulling the tips of the points out like that. I want to see if that makes a difference. If there we go. I'm going to push that in so these can pop up. Because I don't want to have to make another batch of this color. I'm running out of white. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, put a hole in there. Put this on top. There we go. There we go. Okay, we are going to add sprinkles to these trees we made yesterday. So we got the regular glitter from Dollar Tree. This is like a diamond dust, but it's thick. So you can see that's pretty thick. And then this is actually diamond. This is the finer stuff, the diamond dust. So this is the very first tree I did, and this is what it looks like with the regular glitter and the diamond dust on there, the flakes, right? Because it looks like there's snow. So that's the effect we're trying to get for some of them. Anyhow, that's what we're going to do. So first off, we need to, I have this, I'm going to try the Mod Podge. And I need to get a good brush.